Have you ever looked at a piece of cardboard and seen more than just trash? Get ready to unleash your creativity. We will make a beautiful showpiece. And the best part, we'll use simple cardboard. Let's turn trash into treasure together. We all have cardboard boxes lying around. Instead of throwing them away, let's give them a new life. Upcycling is fun and good for our planet. It reduces waste and gives us a chance to be creative. Get ready to make something beautiful and eco-friendly. Before we start, let's gather our supplies. This is an essential step to ensure that we have everything we need at our fingertips, making the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. Having all your materials ready will save you time and keep you focused on the creative process. So let's dive into what you'll need. You'll need cardboard. Different thicknesses and sizes are good. Cardboard is a versatile material that can be used for a variety of projects. Whether you're building a model, creating a piece of art, or making a functional item, the right cardboard can make all the difference. Look for pieces that are sturdy but easy to cut and shape. Think cereal boxes, shipping boxes, and even paper towel rolls. These everyday items can be transformed into something amazing with a little creativity. Cereal boxes are great for smaller projects, while shipping boxes can provide larger pieces of cardboard for bigger creations. Paper towel rolls are perfect for cylindrical shapes and can add an interesting dimension to your project. Scissors or a craft knife. These will help us cut the cardboard into different shapes. Make sure your scissors are sharp and sturdy enough to handle thick cardboard. A craft knife can be more precise for detailed cuts, but always be careful and use a cutting mat to protect your work surface. Safety first. Glue or tape, we'll use these to hold our pieces together. Glue is great for a strong, permanent bond, while tape can be useful for temporary holds or for pieces that need to be adjusted. Consider using hot glue for a quick and strong bond, but be cautious as it can be very hot. Double-sided tape can also be handy for attaching lighter pieces without the mess of glue. A ruler and pencil, these will help us measure and mark our cardboard for cutting. Accurate measurements are key to making sure your pieces fit together perfectly. Use the ruler to draw straight lines and the pencil to mark where you'll cut. This will help you plan your project and avoid mistakes. A good eraser can also be useful for correcting any marks. Paint and brushes. Acrylic paints work well on cardboard. Choose your favorite colors. Painting your cardboard can add a personal touch and make your project stand out. Acrylic paints are vibrant and adhere well to cardboard. Use different brush sizes for various effects, from broad strokes to fine details. Don't be afraid to mix colors and experiment with different techniques. Decorative items. Get creative. Use buttons, beads, yarn, or anything else you have around the house. These items can add texture, color, and interest to your project. Think about how you can use them to enhance your design. For example, buttons can be used as wheels on a cardboard car, beads can add sparkle to a cardboard jewelry box, and yarn can create a textured surface. The possibilities are endless, so let your imagination run wild. Now comes the fun part. Think about what you want to create. Do you want to make a sculpture, a mobile, a wall hanging? Let your imagination run wild. Sketch your idea on a piece of paper. This will be your guide. Section 5. Building a sturdy foundation. In this section, we will guide you through the essential steps to create a solid base for your crafting project. A sturdy foundation is crucial for the stability and longevity of your masterpiece. Every masterpiece needs a strong base. Whether you're building a model, a sculpture, or any other creative project, the foundation is what holds everything together. Start by selecting a piece of cardboard that is thick and durable. This will ensure that your base can support the weight of your project. Cut a piece of cardboard into the shape you want for your base. Use a utility knife for precise cuts, and make sure to trace your design beforehand to avoid any mistakes. The shape of your base can vary depending on your project, so take your time to get it right. If you need a larger base, glue 2 pieces of cardboard together for extra sturdiness. Apply a generous amount of glue to the edges and press the pieces firmly together. This will create a strong bond that can withstand the weight and pressure of your project. Let the glue dry completely before moving on. Patience is key here. Rushing this step can compromise the strength of your base. Depending on the type of glue you're using, drying times can vary, so refer to the manufacturer's instructions. Once the glue is fully dry, you can proceed with confidence, knowing that your foundation is solid and ready for the next steps in your crafting journey. Section 6. The Art of Cardboard Assembly. Welcome to a world where creativity meets simplicity, where everyday materials transform into extraordinary creations. Now let's build our showpiece. Gather your materials: cardboard, a utility knife, a ruler, glue, and tape. Make sure you have a clean, flat surface to work on. Cut the cardboard into different shapes and sizes. You can make circles, squares, triangles, or any other shape you like. Use a ruler to ensure straight edges and precise measurements. Lay out your pieces on the table. This is where your vision starts to take form. Arrange them in different patterns to see what works best for your design. Glue or tape the pieces together. Use glue for a more permanent bond, or tape if you want the flexibility to make adjustments. Apply the adhesive carefully to avoid any mess. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different arrangements. This is your chance to be creative. Mix and match different shapes and sizes until you find a combination that you love. Remember, there are no mistakes in art, only opportunities to learn and grow. Once you're satisfied with the structure, add the final touches. You can paint your creation, add decorative elements, or even incorporate other materials like fabric or beads. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it. A beautiful handcrafted piece made entirely from cardboard. Whether it's a model, a piece of art, or a functional item, you've created something unique and special. Enjoy the process and take pride in your work. Section 7. Texturizing your masterpiece. Want to add some pizzazz? Crumple up small pieces of cardboard and glue them onto your showpiece for a textured look. You can also use other materials like fabric scraps or yarn to create different textures. Section 8. Unleashing your inner colorist. Time to add some color. Paint your showpiece with your favorite colors. You can use one color or several. Get creative with different painting techniques. Try using a sponge, a toothbrush, or even your fingers to apply the paint. Section 9. Showcasing your cardboard creation. Congratulations, you've created a beautiful showpiece from recycled cardboard. Let it dry completely. Now find the perfect spot to display your creation. You can place it on a shelf, a mantelpiece, or even hang it on the wall. Section 10. Share your cardboard creativity. We'd love to see your cardboard creations. Share photos of your masterpieces with us on social media. You'll inspire others to turn trash into treasure. Happy upcycling!